really like on the floor, y'all. What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video, and I know y'all like, dang, where you been at? Let me tell y'all, life. Like, that's another video. But so today's video is gonna be kind of like a DIY type of video. Have you guys ever spilled something on your carpet, burned something on your carpet, or just got a stain like you don't know where it came from? Well, I got a trick or a tip made just for you guys. I got this trip. Can I talk today? I got this tip, I forgot, from some YouTuber. But I'm like, let me share this with my YouTubers, y'all. I know y'all like, why am I on the carpet? But this is why I'm on the carpet. So I have this burn mark on my carpet, you guys. You see that? It's not big. So I don't know if this tip works for like big stains or burn marks or whatever. Probably not. But if you have something that's not that big or it's small, like this is like, you see my hand? This is like maybe the size of a quarter or something like that. I'm pretty sure that this will work for you. So what I did was took some hair cutting scissors, so they're not that big, and what I did was I'm cutting out little pieces, just enough to get the burn out of the carpet. I'm not taking big old chunks, like I'm literally just cutting it out of the carpet. So let me see if I can prop my phone up. So y'all can see me cut. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And you know, these are hair cutting scissors, so it's kind of taking me a minute to cut this stuff out. But you don't want to rush this, because you don't want to cut a big stupid hole. You don't want to cut like a big stupid hole. I'm trying to see, can you see? A big stupid hole in your carpet. So take your time when you're doing this, because cutting this burn out baby is better than paying for some new carpet. So take your time. And as you can see, like, I'm really cutting this stuff out. Like, here's a piece here. Yeah, see that? So take your time and cut it out. And I'm telling y'all, this will save y'all a lot of money. And then when you're done, you can just like throw the little pieces away or vacuum them up. Like I said, small little pieces, you guys. You don't want it to be noticeable. And voila, just like that, my carpet is back to normal, you guys. Here's the little pieces that I would like cut off. Like, I'm just gonna vacuum that stuff up. But yes, as you can see, it is gone. Gone. so happy, you guys. So comment below if you have tried this before, or if you have like another type of home remedy that you use to get stains out, because like I said, I'm not pretty sure how this would work on a really big stain, but smaller ones that's noticeable but it's not big, like this will definitely work on. So comment below, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. All right, love you guys. Talk to you soon.